Welcome to our video on how to improve children's health. As a parent, you want the best for your child, and that includes their health and well-being. In this video, we'll share some practical tips and tricks that you can use to help your child thrive. The first area we'll cover is nutrition. Eating a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein is essential for your child's growth and development. Try to limit sugary and processed foods, and encourage your child to drink plenty of water. It's also important to involve your child in meal planning and preparation. Let them choose healthy options at the grocery store and help them prepare meals and snacks. This will help them develop healthy eating habits that will last a lifetime. The second area we'll cover is exercise. Regular physical activity is important for your child's physical and mental health. Encourage your child to play outside, join a sports team, or take a dance or martial arts class. Limit screen time and encourage movement throughout the day. For younger children, try to incorporate physical activity into their playtime. For example, have them crawl through a tunnel or jump over a pillow. For older children, consider going on family walks or bike rides after dinner. The third area we'll cover is sleep. Getting enough sleep is crucial for your child's overall health and well-being. Establish a bedtime routine that includes a relaxing activity, such as reading a book or taking a warm bath. Avoid screens for at least an hour before bedtime and create a calm and comfortable sleep environment. It's also important to make sure your child is getting the right amount of sleep for their age. According to the American Academy of Pediatrics, toddlers should get 11 to 14 hours of sleep per day, preschoolers should get 10 to 13 hours, and school-aged children should get 9 to 12 hours. The fourth area we'll cover is mental health. Your child's mental health is just as important as their physical health. Encourage your child to express their emotions and talk about their feelings. Provide opportunities for creative expression, such as drawing, painting, or playing music. And don't hesitate to seek professional help if your child is struggling with mental health issues. It's also important to teach your child coping skills, such as deep breathing or positive self-talk, that they can use when they're feeling stressed or overwhelmed. In addition to these four areas, there are a few other things you can do to improve your child's health. First, make sure your child is up to date on their vaccinations. Vaccines are a safe and effective way to protect your child from serious diseases. Second, practice good hygiene habits with your child, such as washing their hands frequently and covering their mouth and nose when they cough or sneeze. This can help prevent the spread of germs and illness. Finally, make sure your child spends plenty of time in nature. Spending time outdoors has been shown to have numerous health benefits, including reducing stress and anxiety, improving mood, and increasing physical activity. Take your child on a hike, go for a bike ride, or simply spend time playing in the park. Thanks for watching our video on how to improve children's health. We hope you found these tips and tricks helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on parenting and family health. And if you have any other tips or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.